Hello everyone, welcome to Global Online. In today's lecture, we will be focusing on general knowledge and current affairs previous year questions, which will be explained in detail with solutions. This is the lecture number 3, where we cover step by step important concepts and question solving strategies to boost your CLAT preparation. Also, students, we are excited to announce that our new live batch for CLAT 2026 is started from 22nd September 2025. In this batch, you will get daily live classes, recorded video lectures, complete syllabus notes, mock tests, and last set of MCQ for practice. The course fee is just 5999 and you can join by downloading Global Online app or by simply contacting on given contact numbers. So this will be the steps you have to follow in order to join this course. You have to download Global Online app. After downloading Global Online app, search CLAT exam 2026 or CLAT exam 2027 and you can join the course right away. So let's begin our journey towards CLAT 2026 success with today's general knowledge and current affairs session. There is one passage given. You can pause the video and read the passage. So I'll be giving you a summary of this passage. The 16th BRICS summit held in Russia highlighted efforts to improve ties between India and China after years of border tensions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping met formally for the first time in 5 years. Following a border resolution agreement, Russia used this platform to show that West had failed to isolate it over the Ukraine conflict. The summit also discussed an alternative payment system to reduce dependence on a US dollar. Though no specific details or timelines were shared, BRICS comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa today represents 45% of world's population and 35% of a global GDP. The 43 pages covered topics such as geopolitics, artificial intelligence, narcotic, and big cat conservation. India's leadership in launching the International Big Cat Alliance was given special mention. However, the summit avoided deeper discussion on global crisis and mentioned Ukraine only once. In short, the BRICS summit reflected diplomatic engagement between India and China, support for local currency trade, and efforts to reduce reliance on Western institutions without any major breakthrough on pressing a global issue. Let's see the MCQs which were asked on this passage. First question is, the 16th BRICS achieved the following. Options are given: launch of BRICS currency, de-escalation of Russia-Ukraine conflict, diplomatic dialogue between India and China, and option D, all of the above. So we have to look for the keyword in this question. So question asks about the achievement of 16th BRICS summit. So in passage, it is clearly given that the meeting between Xi and Modi, who have not held formal talks for 5 years, was one highlight of a summit. BRICS also gave an opportunity to Russian President Vladimir Putin for showcasing that the West had failed to isolate Russia over Ukraine war. A final communique listed a number of projects aimed at facilitating trade between BRICS nations, including an alternative payment system to the dollar, but did not include details or timelines. So the key outcome of a BRICS is the summit marked the first formal talks in 5 years between Modi and Xi after the border resolution. No BRICS currency was launched and no Russia-Ukraine resolution was announced. So the correct answer for this question will be option C, diplomatic dialogue between India and China. Let's move to the next question. What does the letter S in a BRICS stands for? Options are given: Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South America, and South Africa. So guys, the long form of a BRICS is B stands for Brazil, R stands for Russia, I stands for India, C for China, and S for South Africa. So the correct answer will be option D, South Africa. Let's move to the next question. The initiative of a Big Cats Alliance referred to. Options are given: lion, tigers, and jaguar, lions, cheetah, and snow leopard, tigers, jaguar, and leopard. Option D, all of the above. As per the passage, preservation of big cats but lacked detail in some major issues. So it was discussed in a passage. So the International Big Cat Alliance, which was launched by India, covers 7 species. That is tiger, lion, snow leopard, leopard, jaguar, puma, and cheetah. None of the Given options, list all the 7. Since the choice must be made, the least incorrect is option D, all of the above. The most correct answer will be option D, all of the above. Let's move to the next question. Which statement reflects as a critic from the Western economists? BRICS currency cannot displace dollars. Asian economics will not impact Western economy. Indo-China conflict will impact progress of BRICS. And option D, all of the above. As Jim O'Neill, he criticized BRICS effectiveness, pointing to Indo-China conflict as a major obstacle. So the correct answer will be option C. Indo-China conflict will impact progress of a BRICS. Let's move to the next question. The emergence of a BRICS signals option A, Asian consolidation of economic power, diminishing European dominance, a revival of non-aligned movement, a geopolitics without US dominance. The BRICS allows emerging economies to assert themselves outside US-led governance. So the option D, geopolitics without US dominance, will be the correct answer here. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following below is an outcome of a 16 BRICS meeting? So the summit reduced tension between India and China by facilitating dialogue. Options are given: proposal of end Russia-Ukraine war to expand BRICS by including Scandinavian countries to recognize China's claim of a Taiwan, and reducing tension between India and China. So the correct answer will be option D, reducing tension between India and China. So guys, this was the passage summary and detailed solution of MCQ based on 16th BRICS Summit. For more such exam oriented lecture, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Global Online and press the bell icon for updates. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.